So, what do you learn about human nature from that?
Yeah, that's a good question. Honestly, this is like late at night when I threw that up too. I was just like, huh, this will be a funny thing. I assumed it'd be 90% no and like 10%
Yeah.
yes. But there are a lot of serious people. For you guys listening, I just did this random Twitter poll where I was like, would you take 10 grand if it meant someone random in the world died?
Yeah.
And a lot of the replies on the tweet were like, hell yeah, why not? And I was just not expecting that. And so I don't really know. I mean, I feel like your take would be better than mine.
Was it disturbing to you, surprising to you?
A little bit, yeah. But obviously a lot of people were trolling, but
Yeah.
I actually, when you read through those replies, I do think like 10% of them were like dead serious.